Hello everybody and welcome back to the Amateur's Cookbook. Today's recipe is a quick one. 3 ingredient sesame seed bars. Let's go. Of course you'll need the sesame seeds, 130 grams of them, magically toasted. Then you make the syrup, 110 grams of brown sugar, 100 ml of water, a tablespoon of honey. The honey and water amounts are pretty much approximate, and the honey is to prevent it from crystallizing midway through cooking it. Then cook it until 125 to 130 degrees Celsius. I suggest you use a thermometer like I did here, because otherwise it's hard to gauge it. But this temperature is called the hardball temperature in candy making, because when the syrup is fully boiled, when you drop a bit of it in water, it forms a hard ball. Next, pour in the sesame seeds and mix them all up. Then line a baking tray with parchment paper and drop all of this mass in. Flatten it. I've seen that a silicone spatula works best for this. And there you have it, a quick recipe for sesame seed bars at home. I like these quite a lot, but you can still improve them by adding stuff like nuts, lemon juice maybe, a pinch of salt since they were quite sweet. But yeah, these are pretty good on their own already. If you like this content, press like and subscribe, because each person actually really matters since I'm a pretty small channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.